Okay, fam, I went to Walgreens and I did this deal first. I didn't have any register reward, and y'all already know I ain't been to Walgreens in a minute. So I went ahead and did these deals, and they have the Crest deal. When you buy 3, you get a $5 register reward, and the Colgate deal is when you buy 2, you get a $3 register reward. I went ahead and did them together. So I had a 5 off 3 digital here and a 4 off 2 digital here. Of course, y'all know these are $3.50 a piece and these are 4 a piece. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see the 5 off 3 digital and the 4 off 2 digital. I paid $9.50 out of pocket. But I got back my 5 in register reward here, my 3 in register reward here, which I rolled into my next transaction. So let's look at it. Okay, here's my second transaction that I rolled the $8 register reward from the first transaction on here. This was a big transaction, but I had to spend $30, get a $5 in WAD cash, so I utilized that. Okay, I got the bounce, which it was part of the buy 4, get a $5 register reward. So I got that. That was $5.49. I had a dollar off 1 digital here. I did the Tide $5.49. I had a 205 off digital here. I did the other Tide Pods. This was $5.49. I had a dollar off digital here. I did the Game Pods. They was $5.49. I had a dollar off digital here. And I did the Game Liquid $5.49. They had a dollar off digital here. I needed some Dawn, and this is the really big Dawn right here. So I went ahead and got that. I didn't have any digitals for that. And I did the Scott deal, which they have $1.25 Walgreens coupon plus a dollar digital coupon that was stacked with that $1.25. So all of this after my digitals came to $22.09 that I paid out of pocket. So let's look at my receipt. Okay, here's my receipt. Y'all see my spend 30 booster, the $5 register reward, the $3 register reward, $2.05 digital coupon, $1.05 digital coupon, dollar coupon, dollar coupon, dollar coupon, dollar coupon. I paid $22.09 out of pocket, but I got back this $5 register reward plus I earned $5.37 from this transaction, which means this right here, all of this, cost me $12.09, fam. You can't beat that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video. Give glory to God, because this was a great, great, great deal. Until the next video, fam, comment down below. Let me know if y'all done did some couponing this week and what was your deals. Until the next video, y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.